Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook flank steak on a Blackstone griddle. Choose a beautiful flank steak, ideally about 1 to 1.5 inches thick, ensuring it is a vibrant red color. Thoroughly pat your steak dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that perfect, crusty sear. Then, season it liberally with your preferred steak rub, coating every side completely for maximum flavor penetration before it hits the heat. Get your Blackstone griddle screaming hot. We are aiming for a good medium-high, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it is adequately heated, add about 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, spreading it evenly across the cooking surface. Carefully lay your seasoned flank steak onto the hot, oiled griddle, pressing down gently to ensure full contact and an even sear. Let that first side sear undisturbed for a solid 3 to 4 minutes, allowing a beautiful, deep brown crust to develop. Then, with a confident motion, flip your steak over to cook the second side for another 3 to 5 minutes, depending on its thickness and your desired doneness. Always use an instant-read thermometer to verify doneness. We are looking for about 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. Once your steak reaches its desired temperature, immediately transfer it to a cutting board, and this is critical, let it rest for a minimum of 10 minutes. This resting period allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, guaranteeing a supremely tender and flavorful result. Finally, slice your flank steak thinly, always cutting against the grain, to ensure every piece is wonderfully tender and easy to chew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.